Hi, my name is Stephen, Senator of Nairobi. I'm the SG of the party in which Mbere was elected as a member. We are here to say Paul, what's failed us in such moments because of the tragic nature in which we lost our brother. Here that I have been SG, I have never lost a member in the fashion in which we have lost Charles. And he was a very close friend. He was a very close supporter of some of the things that I did. As you know, people are giving different views about events in our country and positions that we as a party should take. But he always encouraged me as his SG to remain steadfast in the things that we hold dear as a party and the things that we believe in. So I've lost a friend, I've lost an ally, and I just want to take this opportunity to extend my condolences to you as a family. It is very difficult. You cannot understand the things that you are going through at individual levels. But we pray that God will comfort you at this particular moment in time. You can count on us as friends. You can come to us for anything that is within our means. We will be able